Hello everyone! We are also offering vehicle rentals in South Korea to make your trip easier and more comfortable. So, start tayo sa airport transfers. The price is 3,800 pesos per vehicle per way. The vehicle is already good for 6 people with luggages, and the price includes gas, driver, and driver's meal. So, it's either from Incheon Airport to your Seoul accommodation or from your Seoul accommodation to Incheon Airport. Another service that we offer are city tours. So the vehicle rental is good for 10 hours and the price is 16,500 pesos. So for Seoul City Tour, it's a private vehicle for your group, so kayo yung bahala sa itinerary nyo. Of course, we can recommend itineraries kung gusto nyo. We can do that. And of course, entrance fees are not included. We are also offering vehicle rentals, even if it's outside Seoul. So for example, you want to go to Nami Island, Mount Sorak, and to other nearby places, we can do that. Just send us a message so that we can give you the quotation. Kasi it depends kung gaano kalayo. At syempre, meron din kaming package tours kung ayaw nyo ng hassle and everything. Just send us a message. We have group tours and we also have customized tours for you.